Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a little one in your life who you want to take with you on some fishing adventures, then I want to show you this really awesome kids fishing pole. This is from WIDDEN, and this fishing pole is amazing. So first of all, it's adorable. Check it out, so cute. It's got this really comfortable cushioned handle, and it's the perfect size for little hands that are learning how to fish. It is telescoping, so it actually is able to become a pretty good sized fishing pole that they can use while they're learning how to fish and working alongside with you. I love the color. This is the pink. It does come in a few different options, and not only does it come with a fully functioning real fishing pole in miniature size, but it also comes with a full kit with everything you need, including a carrying case that has a small collapsible bucket, a fishing net, a little tackle box, which is adorable, and it has everything you need, including the fishing lures to go with it. So this is real equipment with real hooks, so make sure that you have an adult watching your little ones use this. But it's really a great way for them to get started and go fishing alongside you. I got this for my niece who has this pond behind her house, and she absolutely loves it. She cannot stop using it and has been really enjoying getting to learn how to fish with this WIDDEN fishing pole. So if you have a budding angler in your life that would really love their very own fishing pole, then I would definitely recommend this one from WIDDEN. It's not only adorable, it's really well made. It's a very high quality. The kids absolutely love it. Comes with everything you need. You've got the entire kit, so you're ready to go and get started right away. And that's my point of view.